Caprese chicken recipe. Quick and easy dinner with Jenny Bloom. Flavorful, easy, kid-friendly, healthy 30-minute meal. Caprese chicken is an Italian-inspired chicken dish made with the following ingredients: tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, herbs, olive oil, and vinegar. Take grape tomatoes and cut them in half. I like grape tomatoes because they're sweet, but you can use any tomatoes you have in the fridge or in your grocery store. Minced 3 to 4 garlic cloves or grate it with a grater. Set aside. Take a few sprigs of fresh basil and chop them. Basil provides some macronutrients such as calcium and vitamin K, as well as a range of antioxidants. Cut mozzarella into thin slices. It doesn't matter really what shape will be the pieces because they will melt over the chicken. Take 5 or any you have fresh boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Brush with olive oil. If the pieces are rather big, you can slice the chicken breasts in half lengthwise. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides. Also, I add chicken seasoning. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, cook the chicken approximately 6 to 7 minutes on each side until golden and cooked through. Looks delicious. Transfer to a plate. Add balsamic vinegar or dressing to skillet, then add garlic and cook until fragrant, 1 minute. Add tomatoes, stir in basil, return chicken breast to the skillet. Top with mozzarella and cover with the lid to melt. Spoon tomatoes over the chicken and serve. Enjoy your juicy Caprese chicken dinner. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss an update.